Former UAAP courtside reporter Agatha Uvero accused her ex-partner and PBA player Paul Desiderio of physical and emotional abuse. In a series of tweets on Wednesday, Uvero accused Desiderio of several violent acts such as punching, throwing, kicking, biting, and strangling even when she was pregnant with their child. INQUIRER Sports has reached out to Desiderio and his camp and Uvero for comments, but all parties have yet to respond as of posting. In a statement, the Philippine Basketball Association said it will not condone any form of domestic abuse, adding that it will conduct an inquiry and hand down its findings and resolution as soon as the facts are clearly established.